Right, question 10. Kerry has a set of cards. Each of her cards is labelled north, east, south or west. Kerry chooses one card at random from her set of cards. Complete the table below to find the probability of Kerry choosing a card labelled west. Okay, well, you've got these probabilities here for these different directions. So what is it going to be for west? What you need to do is add up what we know so far. So we've got 0.4 for north, 0.25 for east, and 0.2 for south. You notice I'm lining up the decimal points, okay, when I'm adding them, right? So then I'll make sure I add them properly. And if you want, you can put zeros here, okay? And then we add up from the right, so that adds up to 5. Then add that up, that becomes 8. And then you've got naught there, so 0.85. So we've got to see what's left for west, okay? And you've got to realise with probability, they all add up to 1. So what's left there from 1? Well, you just got to do 1, take away 0.85, okay? And again, you know, if you can't see what that is, think in terms of money. Money sometimes helps. £1, take away, you know, 85 pence. Of course, it's going to be 15 pence. 0.15 is going to go there, right? It says then part B, Kerry chooses one card at random from her set of cards. What's the probability that the card is labelled east or south? Now you have to use this table in this case, right? Okay, please don't think you've got 2 chances out of 4 because east or south represents 2 of the directions out of the total of 4. It doesn't work like that. You've got to look at the probabilities, okay, that we've got of going east or south. So east is 0.25 and south is 0.2, and we need to add these, okay, because if you could go to either of them, right, we add them, and in probability when you see that word or, we add, okay, so you've got 2 choices, either east or south, so we can add the possibilities. So when I add them, again put a 0 there maybe, decimal points are lined up, that's 5, add them, that's 4, 0, 0.45. Part C then, Sasha has an identical set of cards. Kerry and Sasha choose one card at random from their set of cards. What's the probability that they both choose a card labelled north? Okay, so they both choose north, and they've got obviously their own set of cards here. So we want Sasha to choose north, okay, but we also want Kerry to choose north, right? So we want them both. And when we see that word and in probability, we actually now need to multiply. We're not adding, okay? We've got 2 different sets of cards, so we want both of them to actually occur. So it's not an either or case. Up here, it was either east or south, and we could include the both possibilities there. But when it comes to this case here, we want them both to occur because they've got their own sets of cards. So north and north, we need to multiply these together. 0.4 times 0.4. Okay, and when you times decimals, it's really easy because you just obviously ignore the decimal points. Yes, you just do 4 times 4 effectively, and 4 times 4 is 16. And then because in decimals, you know, you look here, you've got 2 decimal places, so there's going to be 2 in the answer. So 0.16 is my final answer.